my Winjas. This is your girl Maya, and this video is all about how to help you increase your shoulder mobility, plus get that ab, core, strengthening, stability burn. Yo, cue that intro! Before we start getting all crabalicious, please make sure you subscribe and press that bell, bing, and share this video with any of your friends that have really poor shoulder mobility and weak abs. So this is a really simple movement. There's going to be 2 moves involved, but we're going to put it together in a mash up strength and mobility combo. So it is very hard on the wrist, so please make sure you check out the wrist warm-up video first and spend at least 5 minutes mobilizing your wrist before you try this. But what we're going to do is we're going to set crab. We're going to do 2 crab reaches. I've done a previous tutorial on this as well, so make sure you check this out. So right here we got shoulder mobility, core strength, glute strength, hamstring strength, shoulder stability, total body awareness. Make sure you're stacked, no premature reaching. Make sure your hips are up so you got full glute engagement, like hello, wake up those glutes and then reach. So 2 crab reaches, come back, don't drop your butt yet if you can. We're gonna walk out into reverse plank and hold it. So right now, your shoulders are in full-on external rotation, which is gonna help you so much if you are in a lot of forward rotation job, right? Sitting on the computer, all hunched over. Right, this exercise is gonna be reversing that movement. That's why it's called a reverse plank. So we're doing this. Come back to crab and rest if you need to. Fix your ponytail and repeat. So if at any time you're feeling pain, discomfort, please stop, okay? It should feel a nice burn in your abs, in your shoulders as we're challenging our muscles, but you should not have pain. If you're having pain in the crab position, please make sure to check out my other video on how to regress and make the crab easier, because that's all there for you. You've got all types of different links and freebies in the description box. Please make sure you check it out. Okay, I'm gonna show it to you again. Crab reach. Follow the hands into the sky and down into the hand, out to reverse plank. I'm gonna keep going. Crab reach, squeeze your butt, get that hip up as high as you can. Follow your hands, and another reach. See how I'm moving with intention, with purpose, everything I'm doing with awareness. And this is the Winja way. Everything we do with intention and connection. Guys, I've seen so many people just going through the movement, and you're not gonna get any results that way. But when you can be in it to win it, and when you could feel things and be there and think about the ribs, the shoulders, the triceps, the legs, the glutes, everything connected as one, that's how you train, and that's how you start seeing results, and you get strong and you get connected and you start feeling primal and you start feeling proud of yourself, because you will see how your body and your strength is increasing every day. Woo! So guys, give that a try. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, because we're gonna keep on building on these little movements as you keep on getting stronger and being able to control your body better. Okay guys, this is your girl Maya. I'll see you guys here every Tuesday, every Friday. Peace out. Get that crab, get that crab.